equations. So we have various methods of solving. We have our substitution and we have our variation. So let's start with simplification. Simplification means basically you to simplify a complex equation. Now here's an example. We could have simplify. What's the next thing that has x squared? That would be our minus x squared. Minus x squared. Then the next thing we should collect any value that has ax as its variable. So we have our 3ax, and then what's left is our minus 6xa. Now, is ax the same thing as xa? Yes, it's the same as xa. When you're dealing with variables, the placement doesn't mean xa and ax. So the placement of variables doesn't mean, it doesn't change anything. Xa is the same thing as ax when you're dealing with variables. So apply xa. So simplification means there's nothing else you can